Mombasa County.
And residents of Thome Estate, located off Thika Superhighway, have today held demonstrations over the increasing high-rise buildings coming up in their estate. The residents say the estate is a low-density and controlled development where high-rise structures are regulated. They are accusing the developers of getting approvals through backdoor means and not having public participation before beginning construction.
Structures that are allowed in this area is a single dwelling unit. That is a family dwelling unit, and at the most a servant quarter. That is what is allowed here. So anything beyond that is obviously illegal. And basically what has happened of late, we have had quite a lot of developers come in here and want to develop high-rise developments.
I came and settled here because this was a low density area where only a single dwelling is around. Now we can see some flats are coming up. We don't know how because there was no public participation, and when we were called and we gave our views appears not to have been respected.
Where we'll go if people take up all these spaces with high-rise buildings. So we are calling upon them to relook at the issues of public participation, especially with regards to what it entails and what's the threshold of that public participation before construction commences.
And well, that story brings us to